Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel. And if you watched the last video, you will see that the sun wasn't a friend of ours, but today the flip side of it is when the sun is actually a friend of ours in so many ways. So we get to actually see the sun in our backs, so you can see the glory of the road, the way it presents all the scenery, the landscapes, everything like that, that makes it glorious, for us as bikers. And these are the days we absolutely love. So you've seen the flip side where it's dangerous and you can be blinded by the sun, but on this video I'm going to show you what it's like on the way back home, and obviously with the sun in a much better place that we can enjoy the landscape, like I said, and we can enjoy a bit of heat off it as well without nearly blinding us and putting us in danger on the road. So hope you enjoyed the video. So let's get stuck into the journey home and the glory of the sun.